Do I need to push you out there? But if you don't jump here in 5 seconds, I will push you out.
And if you do, you will be a single man.
Okay. Okay. Go for it. Go, go, go.
You go.
Who's on first? I'll tell you. Go.
It's not that deep right here. There's so many sea urchins, it freaks me out.
Just jump belly first.
I can see that. Yeah, get them attached to my belly.
Just jump for it.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, just jump out. Do I need to push you out there? But if you don't jump here in 5 seconds, I will push you out.
And if you do, you will be a single man.
Okay. 3.
Don't count down for me. Seriously though, if you touch me, I'm going to smack you. Come with me.
You already did it.
You come with me.
3, 2, 1, jump. Man, okay, we are now taking a break from all the snorkeling adventures, and Abby and I are eating these delicious Luna bars. I did not realize that these are made for women. Abby was reading the wrapper and just realized that it says on here that it's made for women. And it is made with soy protein, which apparently can make men grow breasts. Is that true?
I wouldn't know.
Well, let's hope that doesn't happen.
It says 1999 we created Luna, the first nutrition bar for women. You know, I kind of thought that it was for women, but then I didn't see anything. And so
well,
I'm not gonna eat it.
Apparently I should not be eating these bars, but I'm kind of hungry.
Don't do that. Don't go.
Hey. Alrighty,
I tell you what, I would never get this without flippers or swim shoes on because there's so many sea urchins.
Yeah, for sure. Well, they can go through your swim shoes though, right? They can't. They will get you and poke you in the foot. How we doing?
Good.
My mask is getting a little foggy, but
Yeah.
that's the most annoying time when you're snorkeling is like the foggy mask. So if there was some way around that, I wish we knew what that'd be. How do we feel?
We have a long ways to go.
Yeah, we got a very long hike ahead of us.
All uphill.
But it was worth the snorkeling though. The snorkeling was awesome.
Gorgeous. I feel like there's like over 100 different species of fish that we saw.
Yeah, we saw tons of different fish. And then we saw what I believe to be a pufferfish at one point. I don't know if that's for sure, but it definitely looked like a pufferfish to me. And the coral was beautiful. The formations, awesome. We had to be very careful though, because there was a lot of different sea urchins out there with giant spikes, and we didn't want to get poked. That wouldn't have been fun. Well, we are well on our way. We're gonna hike up this huge hill and get back to our vehicle. Alrighty, we made it back. We are at the top of the trail. That was actually a lot tougher than we thought it'd be. Pretty hard work, actually. We're pooped, we're tired. Be sure if you go on this trail to bring lots of water, because we saw so many people that did not have water. We were hearing water's out.
That sucked.
Yeah, that was tough. Was it worth all the snorkeling though?
I'm not sure yet. Give me like 10 more minutes.
Okay, it's recorded, so.
All right.
Facing towards us.
Okay.
Count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Go!
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
What do you want me to do with it? Or just toss it?
Chuck it, yeah. Thank you.